Oh my God. Dad, get over here. Oh, he's in Robert's yard.
Are you kidding? Why over there?
Get helicopter. Stop!
Stop! Oh my God!
Stop!
Just send somebody.
He's driving a white truck down the street. He's lost his last. Hey, this guy, he lost his mind. He just tore up a cars and a house.
Everybody is moving their cars. They don't want to get hit.
A dirt truck. He came through with his car and tore up my neighbor's house.
Oh, sorry, Dad. What are you doing?
Watch out! Watch out!
What did he say?
Hey, he came back through.
What the hell are you talking? The woman, they're not here. What did he say?
He said, "That's her car." What the hell?
Oh my God. Yeah. He's making a U-turn. He's coming back.
Hey. I'm doing all right, Ron.
What?
Yo. Wait. Hold up.
Watch out before he reverses.
Get out the way.
What is he doing? I don't know.